I step into a low-lit wooden hut on the wind-whipped shore of Karbetha's Ember Isle, drawn by the savory scent of glowing coals and spicy steam. The locals call today's special Volcanic Sea Ember Bake, a centuries-old recipe born when fishermen first roasted their catch on cool lava stones after an ancient eruption. Behind me, salted sea meets pinks to rain-worn timbers. Inside, I perch on a simple bamboo stool next to a long, shallow pit filled with obsidian rocks still warm from the hearth. Across the narrow plank table, bags of moonstone peppers shimmer like milky jewels. Nearby, crimson kelp hangs to dry. This bright red seaweed is unique to Karbetha's nutrient-rich currents. Traders aboard windblown junks bring sky pole, small white mollusks that crunch with a sweet splash when you bite. My host, old Captain Renzi, slides a banana leaf across the hot stone. First, he spreads a layer of coconut cream, fresh pressed in village presses by women wearing garlands of hibiscus. Next, he places hulled shrimp plucked from morning nets. Their shells turn violet by the mineral-rich water. 2 pinches of crushed moonstone pepper follow, lending a fruity heat that pulses like tiny fireworks. Then come strips of crimson kelp, their salty tang a perfect void, and a handful of sky pearls, each popping softly under the sear. As the leaf's edges crease, steam rises in fragrant clouds. Coconut, ocean salt, and the sweet spice of pepper dance together. Captain Renzi covers the pit with another leaf and drips woven cloth over it all, trapping heat and smoke while I wait. He tells me that the dish was first served at the Summer Solstice festival, when islanders give thanks to the volcano god for safe seas. Every home would contribute one secret spice, ensuring no 2 ember bakes taste the same. After 8 minutes, he lifts the cloth. The banana leaf crackles, revealing succulent shrimp glazed in amber oil, flecked with bright red cat threads. Sky pearls gleam like shy gems among the coiled crustacean. The air shimmers with steam and smoke. I slide a shrimp into my mouth. It has a tender snap, then releases coconut cream sweetness, followed by the long, floral burn of moonstone pepper, warm but never hush. A bit of kelp crunches between my teeth, echoing sea salt echoes, while a sky bowl bursts, spilling brightening milk that ties everything together. Each bite feels like tasting Karbetha's history. The churning ocean, the smoldering volcano, the hands of countless villagers who perfected this bake over generations. I watch fishermen cast nets on the dusty shore, carrying hope for loot to share at dinner tables, lit by oil lamps. Before I leave, I buy a small woven basket of dried moonstone pepper and crimson kelp strands to take home. Even after the salty breeze fades behind me, the warm afterglow of the ember bake lingers on my act, a reminder that the most magical flavors are born where earth, fire, and sea meet in harmony.